Hello everyone, we're back on the Carnival Pride, and today we're going to be checking out a standard balcony room. The bathrooms in the stateroom usually feature the same amenities unless you have a suite. They have a clothesline to help dry your swimsuits. They also provide shower gel and shampoo. There are several little storage areas to put away your sunscreens, deodorants, toothpaste, and there is only one outlet for shavers only in the bathroom. The closets are slightly adjustable. Those rods do come off, and you can always request extra hangers for hanging more items. Here are some more drawers for storage. This one has the hairdryer inside. This is the only other outlet in the room. They also have a nice little light for doing your makeup there at the vanity. If you're traveling with multiple people in your cabin, there's additional sleeping in the sofa bed as well as a bed that folds down from the ceiling. There is a refrigerator or chiller. Just be aware that some do not get as cold as you would like, so you can always ask for a bucket of ice. This room is arranged with two separate beds, however they can combine to make one larger bed should you request that. And this is the standard balcony. To get a view of the extended balcony, be sure to check out my other video. I'll link it in the description. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to see all the future videos of my travels. See you next time.